Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is the indicator I will use, and let's make $10,000 profit live. I will show you live trades, live profit in this video, so don't skip this video. Please subscribe if you are new in my YouTube channel. If you want to join my WhatsApp channel, go to description. You can join my WhatsApp channel and group. Guys, you see that the indicator arrows is giving us a down signal. I have already put trades and I am in profit right now. Then I will show you that how I take good profit here right now.
A
Okay, guys,
few moments later.
after that you see that a few moments later market has gone crossed our trades in down position, but I will hold, and you see our profit $2,752. Okay, guys, but my target is $10,000. So the market is giving good opportunity. Market has gone in down position. You see we have trade according our mobile phone Spike Detector that gives us a down signal. So I will open so many trades in sell position here right now. You see our profit $2,531 here. Okay, so hold on and see that how I can make $10,000 profit in this video. Please don't skip and watch this video full.
A few moments later.
After a few moments later, you see that market has gone more and more in down position. Now I will show you the real profit of my real account. You see that 9,300 plus profit running in our real account. My equity 12,912. Sorry, my balance is 12,912 and my equity is 22,000 right now here. So you see, make money yourself like this. Contact me right now.